I'm in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. I'm in front of the Mandarin Chinese restaurant. They're a well-established restaurant. They got great reviews for delicious Chinese food. So let's go inside and check it out. So this is an old-style restaurant. You can see they have the original wallpaper as I enter the restaurant. So we still have the push cart here, which is a tradition for dim sum. 里面有什么？
里面有那个 chicken feet，
chicken feet，
yeah， tendon，
tendon， OK。还有什么
pork roll，
bean curd。
yeah，
Yeah, that is the
bean curd。
Yeah， 对呀，有一个。
Tribe beef bowl, tribe honeycomb tribe, white tribe。
还有什么吗？排骨。
Yeah。
OK， 我有一个腐竹，会有腐竹。
虎皮卷。
一个。
Yeah。
煎的。
Yeah。
So this is the bean curd roll made of bean curd skin. 谢谢。Thank you. So they boil the soybeans and they skim off the curd so it forms a layer, and then they dry it. So you can buy this in packages in Asian supermarkets. And then when you cook it, you have to rehydrate the skin, the fujuk or fuzu in Mandarin, and then you have some savory toppings you put inside, and then you roll it up. You can either deep fry or steam it, or you can deep fry and steam it. So let's give this a try. So look at that bean curd roll. So it's really hot because when you steam it, all the heat is retained inside the roll. So you have ground pork, you have some carrots, you got some, looks like bean sprouts. So when you eat it, you gotta be careful. All the juices are released from inside the bean curd roll. So much flavor. I have the dim sum in this restaurant here. So they have this steamed rice roll with prawns. So compared to Vancouver, there's more prawns in this steamed rice roll. I think I count at least 2, 3, 4, so at least half a dozen or more prawns. So usually in Vancouver now, you don't get that many. So you get 3 rice rolls, actually more than 6, because there's another rice roll in the bottom there, see? So you get maybe 6 to 10 prawns here, looks like it, or pieces of prawns anyway. Okay, waitress requests the name of my YouTube, Dan Sito. 你英文打 YouTube， 这个就是我。Yeah, search, yeah.
Okay, let me check.
谢谢。点我的赞 ，subscribe，
给你点赞，
谢谢。I'm gonna count the prawns as I eat it. I used to go to different restaurants and I would count the prawns. So this one place they had a long time ago. I think they had 18 prawns in their prawn chow mein. So gradually, all restaurants decreased the prawns. These prawn dumplings comparable to anything in Vancouver because they have the light, thin rice wrap, lots of prawns, juicy prawns.
I think it's good that they have.
So this is the steamed sticky rice, glutinous rice. So they have rice combined with different ingredients like chicken, chashu, which is the barbecue pork. So let's get the big reveal here. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Wow, look at that. So you get all the flavors of the meat, and I think there's probably a duck egg in there. So when you steam it, all the flavors infuse into the rice. Look at that, look at that. Wow. See if there's any Chinese sausage in there. Okay. There's chashu. And so there's duck egg right here. There's a duck egg right here. So it looks pretty good, nice and moist. The rice is still fully, the grains of rice still fully formed. So when you steam it in the lotus leaf, the flavors of the lotus leaf is infused into the rice. A lot of Chinese restaurants were established before and slightly after 1997 when Hong Kong was given back to China. So a lot of them came to North America, including Canada, and they established Hong Kong style restaurants right here in the city, such as Saskatoon, happened in Vancouver. So you have the real, the authentic flavors of Hong Kong. So when you go for dim sum, it's just as good as if you're in Hong Kong. We're gonna have some Chinese tea with that. I usually drink bole or pu'er, which is grease cutter tea, I call it. So this is something else, but still pretty good. What kind of tea?
这个是花茶，
花茶
茉莉花茶，
花茶 is 英文叫什么？你知道吗？
英文名字很清楚，就
我忘了，not jasmine flower。
叫对 jasmine tea。
Jasmine tea, yeah, flower, okay.
Yeah, jasmine.
Yeah, I like it, but I like bole, pu'er.
普洱茶
你有吗？
有啊，
别的 next time.
对。
Yeah, 谢谢。Yeah. I like bole. I usually have it, but I'll have it next time when I come in. 这个餐厅开门多久？
好多年了，
好多，20多。
可能有了，
哦，1995年。
估计是。
Yeah， 我看到。
可能有30年。
Yeah， 我忘了，但看到20多年。
对，很长时间。
开门呀。还有什么吗？
叉烧包、鸡肉包。
叉烧包 ，OK， 叉烧包。
叉烧包。
有
一份叉烧包。
行。
健康吗？
不要。I was already finished, but I just saw the char siu bao, the steamed pork bun. So they make it the same way I do. So you look at the sidewall, they get the big sidewall just the way like I do. So I had no choice. I ordered 3 of them. Usually when I eat dim sum, I usually eat the bao last because they're quite filling. The only reason I order these is because they look similar to the ones I made. So you look at the filling in there. Look at that. So they have the savory barbecue pork filling, and they got the fluffy bao. So these are really good. More of a traditional way of making the bao, and they don't use the bleach flour, so it's still yellow. So when you put bleach flour in there, it's more white. So check out my recipe on my YouTube site. This is a recipe for Chinese rice rolls, but first, let's see how they're made in Hoiping, China. Wow, big tank there. Char siu? Yeah, char siu dollar. How about 2盒 char siu dollar? Huh? 要乜菜嚟㗎？Oh, this is the rice roll here. Oh, interesting.
我2條手肉啊
2條就得啦。So one big sheet of it. Yeah.
我哋賣功課啊呢條啊2條手肉。
我入邊仲有一個食貨咧。
我哋賣功課要啊。
我入邊有個食貨啊，萬幾蚊啊！入邊有個食貨啊，拍食貨啊！食貨我啲滾嘢啊，真係啊，入邊啊！你食貨啊
Okay. Wow. Wow, that's nice.
嗰度細係嘛？
Yeah, you go for it.
呢個一個人係咪？
Yeah, you can try that.
攞一條嘅。呢個1磅。
One here. Add a little soy sauce there. That's it. So having a little rice roll here in Hoiping, China. These Chinese rice rolls are so easy and simple to make, right in your own kitchen. So let's get started. First, you start off with 1 cup of rice flour. Pour the rice flour into a big mixing bowl. Add 1 to 2 cups of water. More water if you want thinner rice rolls. For more chewy rice rolls, add 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. Then you add half a cup of barbecue pork or any other kind of meat that you like. And last, add half a cup of chopped green onions. Then put some cooking oil in a dish. Rub some of the cooking oil on a pie plate. Bring some water to a boil in a frying pan or a steamer. Put 1 ladle of the rice solution into the pie plate. Steam the rice roll for about 1 to 2 minutes. So once you see the bubbles come out in the rice roll, they're ready to be served. And the final step, just carefully roll the rice roll and put it on a plate. There you have it, steamed Chinese rice rolls. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.